Do you know how to dress up your jeans? Well, I'm going to show you 3 inspirational outfit ideas on how to dress up your denims. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, these days on social media we see a lot of men dressing up their denims. Dressing them up with blazers, as suit separates, or even dressy shirts. Now, whether we are talking about old money aesthetic or regular fashion, we see this particular phenomena almost everywhere. Given the versatility of denims, it only makes sense to give it a shot. Now, in this particular video, we are going to figure out on what kind of denims you can dress up, what needs to be avoided, and how to do it. What kind of pieces should you pair when you're dressing up your denims? First of all is the fit. Now, gentlemen, we know fit is the king, and it's even more important when it comes to dressing up your denims. I am talking about going regular fit or little slimmer than that, whatever your taste is. But you have to make sure that you ignore anything that is skinny with a boot cut or anything that is too baggy. You are only going to look miserable in those, trust me. If you are dressing up your denims, you have to make sure that you nail the fit. The fit of your denim should be snug, but it shouldn't be too tight. It shouldn't be too loose as well. Straight fit, straight cut denims is probably your best bet. Gentlemen, the second thing that you have to absolutely make sure is what kind of denims to choose. Anything that has any kind of distressing, anything that has any kind of patchwork or any bold threading around your denims, or guess what? Even if there is a pair of denim that has too much of fading or any fading for that matter, you have to avoid. You have to make sure that you go for solid color, whatever your taste is, whether you're going for black denim, whether you're going for blue, light blue or indigo. But you have to make sure that the denim that you're going to choose is simple and classic. Anything with any kind of distressing, any kind of fading or any kind of fancy work around your denims, you have to avoid it at all cost. The third thing, and perhaps one of the most important aspects, is the rise of your denim. Gentlemen, as we all know, denims comes in various rise. It comes in mid-rise, high-rise or low-rise denims. Now, low-rise denims are absolutely horrible whether you're trying to dress them up or dress them down. But especially when you're trying to dress up your denims, you have to make sure that anything that sits really low on your waist, you have to chuck them out. Gentlemen, if you have such denims or that is what you prefer, you better not dress them up. They are better with your t-shirts and your sneakers. In my personal opinion, you should get rid of them. But still, if that's what your taste is, it's better not to dress them up. Gentlemen, so you have to make sure that you choose mid-rise or high-rise denims, something that is very simple and plain in plain color, and also go for something that is either 100% cotton or is at least 99% cotton. 1% of spandex is still fine, but then do not go for something that has too much of stretch. It is not going to last, first of all, and it will not look as good with your dressier items. So just make sure to keep these few things in your mind before dressing up your denims. Let's go ahead and check out these particular 3 outfits. All the looks that you're going to see on the video will be posted on Instagram as well. Check out my Instagram handle. If you like the content, well, make sure to follow. Gentlemen, putting on my first outfit, here I'm trying the evergreen and the ever classy blue denims. Now, dark blue denims are an absolute no-brainer. I have thrown on this lovely Prince of Wales checks double-breasted blazer, a simple white shirt, and to complement the heaviness of the fabric, I'm wearing a knit tie with black and white stripes. Now, gents, as you can see, this particular outfit, the first half is pretty muted, and I am wearing very classic regular fit denims. These are the Levi's 501s, and as you can see, the shoes are pretty simple but elegant as well. Here I'm wearing this lovely navy blue color suede loafers. If you want, you can go for your normal brown loafers as well, but I wanted to keep everything muted down and sort of in the same family, so I have chosen the blue suede loafers. How can we talk about denims and not talk about black denims? Gentlemen, for my second outfit, I'm wearing some really nice slim fit charcoal black denims. On top of it, I have thrown on this lovely OCBD in mint green color, and the talk of the town, this particular herringbone blazer in terracotta color. Now, as you can see, the backdrop is very light and the coat is on the darker side. Now, you could have done black on black or you could have done any other lighter color, but I wanted to balance out the black denims with some color and keeping it muted at the same time. For my shoes, I have chosen these lovely brown color suede Chelsea boots. If you wish, you can go for other colors as well, but I would recommend you to stick to brown, and especially if you can stick to suede, that will be great. Gentlemen, this particular outfit is again something that is not too fancy. This is something that is very regular with a dash of color. Perhaps my favorite pair of denims, the white denims. Now, gentlemen, white denims are risky, I agree. But if you do it right, if you keep the fit in check, you can do wonders with it. Inside, I'm wearing this French blue shirt, and I have thrown on this lovely micro stripes beige color blazer. Now, just to add a pop of color, I have thrown on a really beautiful knit tie in burgundy color. If you want, you can skip the tie totally or you can wear an OCBD. But I just wanted to dress it up just a little bit more. Hence, I have thrown on a tie. A really nice, interesting checks pocket square and denims. Now, these particular denims are from Ralph Lauren Polo. This is a very slim fit denim. This is not something that is too fancy or something. For my shoes, I have chosen these lovely tassel loafers in dark brown color. If you really want to play with some color, you can throw on colorful socks. Here I'm wearing these lovely mauve color socks, or lavender as you can call it, or you can also go sockless in this particular. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did in making it. Let me know in comments what else would you like to watch on the Classic Dandy, and if there is any other specific video that you would want me to make. Until next time, thanks for watching.